We're back. I just got a package from Nature Hike. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I'm taking with me on this short, like 2-day, 3-day hike. Let's dig in. I got me some gloves. I didn't realize they were going to be this big, but they're quite solid. I mean, for winter, like, this is totally what you want to go for. Then we got ourselves a beanie because we gotta look like cute on the hike. Wool beanie, super fresh, super cute. Here comes the cool stuff. I got myself sleeping liner. Is gonna be so lacquer. This is something that I'll just punch into my sleeping bag for the extra heat. And like outfit, like it's super elastic, so will fit. Then I got a mattress. This one I really like because it's like super compact. This is literally the mattress. You can just slot it into your hiking bag. Oxygen. Lekker! It's a fit! Then you tent! I had the Mongo. Really nice tent. How slick. Like it's so small. This is how big the tent is. And it's so light. If you buy a tent sheet, where I know that some people you have to buy extra ground sheet. Excited to try out the tent. The one I'm most excited for is I think, oh no Linda, it's just another sleeping bag. Oh, incorrect. One has got a perk. I will show you what that perk is. Ooh, why is there a cat? Why are there arms? Let me show you. What? Literally, like a sleep. See like how I have a whole thing here? It's a thing. I'm just saying, I will post another video of things that I'll be taking along. Excited to try. I don't know if I'm gonna take this. I feel a little bit too childish, but excited to try out the tent, all of the other lacquer things. So yeah, watch the space. Okay, bye.